Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a curved arrow in PowerPoint. To add a curved arrow, you can do the following. Open a slide where you want to insert the curved arrow. Click the Insert on the top menu, select Icons from the ribbon. In the search box type Arrow. Now you can select the curved arrow from the list. Also, you can modify it as per your need. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.